in that wheelhouse of the only options that that direct lender has, you're stuck with whatever rates they have for you. You're stuck with whatever terms and programs they have available. You're stuck with their overlays that they have. So, for instance, like you might have somebody, you might have a direct lender that says, okay, we're not going to let your debt ratio go over this amount. But with a wholesale broker, your debt ratio can really go much higher, which means that our client approves for much more house. And in this market, it's so important to qualify for as much house as possible because we know interest rates are a little elevated right now. Housing prices are still much higher than they were, 5 years ago.
And when I used to work for a direct lender, my rates sucked. And so now that I'm with a broker, we're able to shop the rate. That means we're going all the way down to par of the rate. And then the borrower decides what rate they want, and they're paying way less for that rate than if they were with a lender, or a direct lender, I should say. And the other thing I want you guys to know too, if you're with that direct lender and you get denied, guess what? With us, if that one lender tells us no, guess what? We have 100 other lenders that we could submit your loan to. That's how working with the broker is much different. I want to talk to you about our loan programs. We have many, but we're just going to come up with, a handful of them right now.
And as a broker, you're able to shop, if one lender says no, you're able to move on to the next lender until you find a yes. And that's what separates us from a direct